Hello and welcome to another C-Bits Tech video. I'm going to unwrap two new cassettes here. If you didn't see the last cassette unboxing, there'll be a clip in the description box and up there. You can watch that now if you want. And that one was for this computer cassette from TDK. And I've got plans for that one. And I wanted to get these, which are also computer cassettes, but newer ones, because they're more visually interesting. And I want to use these for demonstration purposes. So I think these are quite new by comparison, but I can't really see them with this shiny cover on them. So made in Hong Kong. Let's take the cover off. I'm going to undo both of these myself, but I'll do one on camera. Not that there's much to see. In fact, the film covering is not very good on these. I think these are quite recent, but the reason I wanted these is I've got I do some demonstrations of cassette players sometimes, and I wanted something that would look visually interesting in the window of the cassette player. And I can't afford the really expensive one that Tecmo uses, so I thought I'd get a couple of these. And these are C10s, so that'd be 5 minutes each side. Screw shells, which is fairly nice. I've always got a Bic on hand. So there's a short leader on this. No leader, essentially. That's it. That's as far back as it goes. So let's have a look at this tape. It's like a funny green colour, isn't it? Sort of a bronzy colour, maybe. I don't know how old these are, see if there's anything on the cassette box in a second. Yeah, they'll be a lot more interesting than something like this that's playing in the cassette player, because you can't really see much movement. Oh god, they're really cheaped out on this. Oh, we've got labels. Yeah, that's quite handy. Computer program title label. Okay, fair enough. And some tiny little, so I can get this out. Quite nice. I like the 80s inspired. Well, you would have seen this in the 80s, but I think it was based on 70s fonts. Made in Hong Kong, no dates on it. Yeah, so they'll be quite handy, because what I'm going to do is put some YouTube audio library stuff on this, and then I can put these a couple of tracks each side. I can put these in the cassette players when I'm testing them, and they'll provide something interesting to look at, and also enable me to listen to whether the cassette player is working properly. So that's it, two of those for dual cassette well players. This one here, this is a screenshot of a video that I've already done. There's going to be another video in the future, because there's a couple of interesting features on it, and an interesting hack that the former owner had on a double cassette album. So I'll be doing a video of that shortly, so please make sure you're subscribed. If you like this one, give us a like, because it all helps on the YouTube algorithm. So that's it for this one. The next one will be a 5-pack of unused mini discs, also from Japan. So thanks very much. I'll see you in the next video.